In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Tradovate on TradingView. So the first step is to go to TradingView. Now, on the left side at the bottom, you should see Trading Panel. So we're going to have to open this up. Then we're going to have to click on the search button and search for Tradovate. So we're going to have to select it from here. And then we're gonna have to choose if we want to trade live or demo. So this is very important. Then we just have to enter our username, password, and then simply click on connect. Now after we do that, so I'm going to use paper trading as an example, but this is how it's gonna look like when you connect your Tradovate account. You're gonna see your Tradovate account here on the left side, then you'll see your account balance, equity, profit and loss, etc. And from the right side, you can place orders. So you can sell or buy the shares, you can set the take profit, stop loss. So basically that's how you're gonna have to use Tradovate. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.